Today we're talking about my brand new obsession. I am totally obsessed. Who's an 80s kid? Remember Animotion Obsession? You are an obsession, you're my obsession. Who would you want me to be to make you sleep with me? Maybe? No? Well, guess what? I got lots of hobbies. Singing is not one of them, clearly. However, today we're talking about another hobby. It's a hobby within a hobby. You guys know I love silver. And over the years, I've kind of gone from one aspect of silver collecting to another, you know, just kind of jumping through different parts of it, really. When I first got into it, it was like all about the cheapest silver possible. Ingots, you know, junk silver, you know, jewelry, stuff like that, right? Then I kind of, over the years, went into some more known coins, you know, like the Silver Eagles. You know, very world-renowned, everyone knows what it is, very simple to identify. You don't have to worry about fake silver, because sometimes when you go super cheap, especially small minting or private people that are minting silver and marking it themselves, then it gets questionable. You know, when you're talking about minted coins, there's not, I mean, yeah, there's fakes out there, but it's less likely. So I started kind of getting into coin collecting in general. And then I focused on just like, you know, old quarters and, you know, US minted silver, half dollars, candy half, stuff like that. Now, my new thing is slab coins. Slab coins are graded coins. Now, of course, these don't have to be silver. I'm just focusing on graded silver coins. In this particular case, I only have two to my name. One's a Silver Eagle, which has a really interesting story, which I'll remind you, if you've never seen it, you'll be hearing it for the first time. But I got this for $1, as you can see the price tag on there. Okay, I got this at an antique shop. There's a very nice girl there, and I saw it in the case, and like totally into silver, and I saw the dollar on there. I'm like, this isn't $1, is it? You know, and she's like, yeah, that's the price. And I said, are you sure? Just like that. And she said, yeah. So I bought it for $1. Now, if you look on the top right here, you can see there's $2 marks and then it says dollar. So perhaps the person who priced this, which I don't think it was the girl. I think the girl works there for her boss. That's just my assumption. I don't really know for sure. She was a younger girl. It's a fairly large antique shop. But I'm assuming that when this was priced, they just assumed that this was worth $1. Where that's just showing you the face value of the coin. So it's $1 coin, but clearly it's not worth $1. It's at least worth the price of silver, which right now is teetering around $15. But obviously being a Silver Eagle, this one's mint state 70 from 2003, so it has a premium. It has a collector's coin value that's added to that. So this is worth a lot more than $1 now. So yeah, this is the first one I ever got. And this one was graded by ICG, which is Independent Coin Graders, I think. Independent Coin Graders. There's a few different, you know, main companies that do coin grading. And then the other one here, far more known, is graded by NGC, which is Numismatic Guarantee Corporation. All right. I mean, I had never even heard of these people. I had to look this up. These I have heard before. This one I got from a viewer a long time ago. This is a Morgan peace dollar. And this one is mint state 63, so it's a far less graded coin. The mint states, I mean, I can do a whole video just on that kind of stuff. You could just look it up, but the higher the number, the better. 70 is perfect. This is considered a perfect coin. There's no flaws. They look at it under magnification, make sure there's no marks or scratches or anything like that. This one being a 63, you know, it was circulated a little bit. Obviously, because it was so old, it was used probably as money at some point. Whereas today, most Silver Eagles, the vast majority, I think it's more than 90% or maybe even 95 or 98%, who knows. But most Silver Eagles are just collected. Most people don't even touch them. You know, they come in the big monster boxes, which are awesome. Maybe one day to have one of those. That's a bucket list thing for me, to have a monster box, big old green plastic box, packed full of Silver Eagles. I think they're like, right now, about $9,000, something like that. So a little bit out of reach, of course. But anyway, most modern silver coins that are minted aren't even used. And we don't use these in society. Because of the price of silver, you know, you wouldn't buy these for X amount of dollars and then go out and buy, you know, hand it to a cashier for, you know, its face value, which is $1. It's just not seen anymore. But the older ones, it's obviously a lot harder to get these in great condition. Anyway, long story short, I've just been really focusing on these a lot. I don't know what it is. I was looking through my silver collection and these just kind of stood out to me, and I want more of them. I want to focus on this and just collect these for a little while. I just think they're really, really cool. I love the whole aspect of, you know, collecting graded coins. I think the grading process is pretty interesting itself. Something else that's really cool that I found out is NGC has a phone app, all right, which has a bunch of information, but you can also verify your coins. You can put in the barcode number here, or in this case, I'll use my camera, all right. And once I focus in on that, boop, gives me all the information on the coin, all right. So it does verify that this is genuine and not fake, but it's really, really cool. All this information here, all right. So they're saying right now this is worth $75. They're also showing that there was 76,693 of these that they graded in Mint State 63. All right, that grading level. All right, and then also they're saying there's 135,977 more of these that they graded that was in better condition. That's just some interesting tidbits. But besides that, they have their entire catalog here of every coin they've ever graded, which is awesome. Anyway, this is just some really fascinating stuff to me. It's all new. I never really, I mean, I knew these existed. I've seen them before. I've seen people's, you know, collections briefly, but never really dove into the entire world of, you know, graded coins and coin collecting in general. Now, I mean, I don't have any specific interest right now in collecting, you know, coins that don't have silver content. Silver's always been the main focus, but who knows? Maybe in the future I might just like some different coins just because they're cool. But yeah, I'm just super fascinated. I find myself just, you know, at night, sometimes I'll sit in bed, look at my phone to get tired or whatever, or, you know, play little phone games or, you know, just basically kill time trying to get tired. And the last week or so, I've just been looking up these coins every day, you know, trying to find more information out about them, seeing what they go for, their prices, looking on eBay and stuff. And yeah, it's my latest obsession. So yeah, let me know down below, do you collect, you know, slab silver, slab coins in general? Just curious about it. So down the road, when I do some more trading stuff, I'll probably focus on this as opposed to just silver in general. So yeah, I mean, hit me up if you got a bunch of these and you want some knives or something. But anyway, that's it for now. Just kind of sharing my latest interests. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with another new video. Take care.